Conveniently located in the heart of New Brunswick, Riverside Towers is the perfect place to call home. Let's meet one of the wonderful leasing professionals there.
Good morning, welcome to Riverside. Please have a seat. All right, so we do have a studio apartment available. It has all the features that we discussed, and I think you and your dog will really love it. Let's go take a look. After you. Welcome to your new home. Wait to get a look at this Riverside view. Beautiful, isn't it?
You're right, I love it.
And as you can see, our studios come equipped with full-size appliances, as well as a spacious and nice open concept. And here's a nice multifunctional space, which I feel will be perfect for you to set up your puppy palace. But wait, the fun doesn't stop here. Let's go take a look at the additional amenities. And as you see, our amenities include, to my right, a Wi-Fi cafe, and to my left, a newly remodeled gym. Amazon hub lockers. And we have the best on-site maintenance staff providing 24/7 emergency maintenance. And last but not least, our community features a park. And I just have one question left for you. Are you ready to experience more with Morgan?
I'm ready, let's do it.
All right, let's head to the leasing office and get you applied.
Hi, I'm Reno Lorenzo, property manager here of Riverside Towers. I look forward to seeing you here soon and welcoming you to your new home.
Visit us at morganproperties.com.